Want to bring your IMVU experience to the Linux world? It's easier than you might think. First, let's make sure your Ubuntu system is up to date. Open your terminal. We're going to update the packages. Then, let's install Wine, a compatibility layer that allows you to run Windows applications on Linux. Wine is the key to getting IMVU running smoothly. Alternatively, you can search for Wine in the Ubuntu Software Center and install it from there. Either method works fine after downloading Wine. We'll need to configure it correctly for IMVU to run in the terminal. Execute the Wine configuration and set the Windows version to Windows 7. This ensures compatibility. Next, head over to the IMVU website and download the Windows installer for IMVU. Save the file to your downloads folder. Now, in your terminal, navigate to the downloads directory using the cd command. Then, initiate the IMVU installer with Wine. This will start the process of installing IMVU. The IMVU installer should appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You can leave settings at default unless you have a specific reason to change them. Once the installation is complete, you should find an IMVU launcher icon in your application menu. Launch IMVU, log in with your account, and get ready to explore the metaverse on Ubuntu. And there you have it. IMVU running seamlessly on Ubuntu 2004. Now you can express yourself and connect with friends in the virtual world, all within your favorite Linux environment. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Linux gaming and application guides.